Hello, and thanks for showing up at our eGroup Hub training video for the Storm project management system. Okay, so get here, Storm link in the menu on the left. Now you won't see that link until the access and received access, so just send a message to admin or one of the other administrators that you know in order to get access. They'll want to know some things about you and that kind of stuff. So once you get access, you'll be able to see this page, and what we want to do is just glance very quickly at this create a project page. See create project on the top. Okay, what we want to make sure is that you get the organization right. We want to keep our organization right so that we don't have confusion as to what tasks belong to what organizations. We got to pay special attention to keep our various organizations' data separate on the site in order to avoid confusion. So now that we have quickly shown you that little thing, let's jump into the project list and choose out a project and look at the page that we've written for it. This page is a description of the project, and what belongs here also will be links to any web resources that we assign or somehow connect or relate to this project so that people can find those by coming here and looking. So these little project pages will be hubs for the project. Now projects have tasks which are little sub-projects. And so tasks are really formatted the same way that projects are. They have we're going to choose this solar panel energy task and look at it. It's got an introductory page as well. More stuff on this because this is actually getting down to the details. And here we want to have a listing of collaboration resources. We've got a listing of a couple of spreadsheets already added to this task, as you can see. Now what I want to do is very quickly show you how to make a link, because a link can be kind of tricky to make. Just click that edit button and that lets you change the page. Probably won't want to change the data on the top, so let's scroll down through here and find that link, this page link, which is the link that I made last time I tried to make this video. And up on the top of this WYSIWYG editor, you'll see little options for changing the nature of the text, bullets and such. You can do those, even add images maybe if it works right, and links are the most important thing. So what I want to do is show you, talk to you about making links. So if you're linking to something outside of this website, so some other site, then leave that HTTP protocol header in the left box and just put the rest of the URL in this URL box. Don't put the protocol header in this box. Okay, now if you're linking to something on this site, then use this other tag, which basically just stops Drupal from pre-pending a protocol tag to your link. So what we're going to do is show you how to link, for example, to a wiki. To link to a wiki, put in 2 dots and then wiki. What that does is it gets you to up one directory on the website and over to the wiki directory. And next we want the words index.php, which activates the main wiki machinery, and then add in the name of the node. Whoops, I'm sorry. That's the wrong text. Add in the name of a wiki page like main page. And if you use, if you were to click the word OK, then that link pops down on the screen, and that will be your link. That's a successful link right there. And but what we want to do is we also want to show you how to make a link to the Drupal site. In that case, erase one of these dots and use a slash. So the single dot means to use the same directory that you're already in. And what we'll do after that is we'll add this text in, which I added in before, but it was a mistake. And that will link you to this page on the wiki. Now, just keep in mind that this node number will be a little different for every page, so you can collect that from out of the URL bar when you go to a Drupal page. Okay, so let's go ahead and press OK, and you'll notice that the text that shows up is the actual link text, which is not really what you want there. So you want to erase almost all of it, but you don't want to erase it all or the link could disappear. So we'll put in this page, as you can see, and then we'll delete that last period. So now we've got a link that actually links to the very page that it's on. And what let's do now is prove to you that it works by clicking the little save button. Don't worry about this warning on the top. It doesn't hurt nothing. It's just something we haven't got fixed yet. And let's scroll down, find our this page link. There it is. Click on it, and voila, you can see it brought us back to this very same page. And it's working. So being able to get those links on there is really the most important thing, next to getting some good formatted information to describe what you're doing, what's going on in the project. Okay, so the next thing is if you have access to the Storm, then you should also have access to this content finder, and the content finder is there to help you find lost content on the Drupal site. You can use that to find pages that maybe you created a long time ago and you can't find them. But normally we hope that you're not writing up Drupal pages, you're writing up wiki pages, because the wiki pages are better designed for public editing than the Drupal pages. Okay, so if you want to know more about the wiki pages and how to work on those and various other types of content, please do watch some of our other training videos. But for now, I believe we have shown you the fundamentals that you need to know as to how to use the Storm project management system. So thanks for dropping by, and we hope you come by and look at some more of our cool training videos.